the heights of culture and refinement. This is the priceless gift bestowed upon me by Dr. Nathan Bronfman. End of tape 43.
I think he's ready.
Oh, boy!
Oh, boy. Now, Puff, we're leaving the electric collar on. I don't think we'll need to shock you, but just in case.
Okay, that's fair.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. No, Puff, bad. My apologies, madam.
It's all right.
Shan't happen again. Shall we? This is great, Puff. You're doing fine. I'm loving this.
It's such a treat to be out and about. What a wonderful invention the city is. The immense buildings of glass and steel glinting in the afternoon sun, the smartly dressed women in their best summer frocks, the colorful street vendors.
How is everything?
Just spectacular. Great salmon. Fantastico. You gotta give me the recipe. My compliments to the chef.
I'm glad you like it. Chef will be very...
No!
So will that be all?
It shan't happen again, I swear. I'm just getting my sea legs, you know?
It's an animal urge, Puff. It's nothing to be ashamed of.
Lila. Tell him.
You have to control it. We're not monkeys.